What is good, people? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's your boy BigDre. Before we hit that, so before you watch this video, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know whenever man releases a new video. Now look, I haven't done an update for Boss Token for a little while, so I'm gonna do a video on it now, and then we're gonna do one today. Tell me if you don't like these little car journeys, you know what I mean? The little car video. But anyway, so nothing's been happening with Boss Token. It's just been dead. Like, literally, we had nothing going on. So, I told you lot, because a lot of you have been commenting, wondering what's going on. Could I get some information? Now, look, as you know, the official Boss Token Twitter page, whatever, they messaged me, reached out to me. This is way back, telling me to try out try the service out, see how it is. I didn't try it out because I didn't know if the link was legit or whatever. Now, man has been trying to get through to Mr. Zero Waiting. And just like I told you guys, I think he's a bit sus because he's just weird. He doesn't answer any of his DMs. If people try and say anything negative, he deletes their comments. I don't get it. If you don't look at my YouTube channel, look on all my videos, whatever negative comments you don't say, I leave it there. I don't care. I'm not stressing about it. I mean, it's all entertainment at the end of the day. You know what I mean? The whole point of this space is so we have somewhere we can talk about things, and you get what I'm trying to say. So look, I don't think my man scammed us. I don't think Zero Waiting scammed us at all. However, if it wasn't for the fact that he's a YouTuber, and I don't think he's gonna ruin his brand for the sake of cryptocurrency that he created, I don't think he's willing to ruin his brand for that. So I still say Boss Token could be something. Potentially, it could be the next Shiba. I don't know. Right, at the end of the day, this is not financial advice, man. It's not a financial advisor. Yeah, invest at your own risk. And remember, only invest money you're willing to lose. So I've been looking around, looking at other projects. And I can see there's other. Oh, wow, they built a football pitch there. Man, starting to go there, see? Anyway, sorry, we get sidetracked. But yeah. So yeah, I've been looking around. There's literally nothing going on. And I even sent him a message and I said, look, like, you need to sort out communication, because at the end of the day, the people supporting Boss Token, the community, are the reason why he's making money, right? He wouldn't have a community, there wouldn't be nothing for Boss Token if it wasn't for you guys. So I did send him a message and just say, like, he needs to work on his communication skills. His communication skills are SH. I'm not going to complete it because I might get demonetized. But yeah, I said it's rubbish, essentially. He still didn't respond. Nothing from this guy. I don't know. Me personally, based on him, I wouldn't invest in it. I would not invest in Boss Token at all. Because me personally, I just don't think he knows how to run a business. Something smallest thing, which is communication. You know what I'm saying? Personally, I think they should put me as the marketing manager, yeah? What I think you lot should do is spam it. Go on Twitter, spam Boss Token's official Twitter page, spam his Twitter page, and tell them to make me the marketing manager, because they don't know what they're doing. Yeah, they don't know how to do their job. As you see, when you guys message me, I respond. I get the information for you. Get me? So I think I should be the marketing manager. But anyway, that's a little bit about Boss Token. I'm going to split this video into two parts. So, in terms of what can happen this year. So as we know, the Fed meeting has happened. If you lot haven't seen it, please go and check out my previous video. I talk about their statement and what it actually means for us in terms of, where the market's going. As I said to you lot previously, before they even reached a statement, we're entering the bear cycle regardless of what happens, right? Because as we know, they could have come out and said they're going to increase inflation. Of course, that means people are less likely to take risks, blah, blah, blah. Banks lending less money. We're not going to get into that. But what they've said is they're going to leave interest rates near to zero, meaning they're still going to inflate it, but they're going to have it from 0% up to about 0.25%. Now, of course, in March there's gonna be another meeting, right? I think it's March the 15th/16th. It's discretionary because they could change it depending on, you know, politics, whatever's going on at the time, stuff like that. But if we can get some traction on that, right? If, you know, people in the Boss Taker community still support the coin, still support the token, I believe, go on mate, I believe we could potentially see at least a 5x during the bear cycle, right? Things still go up during the bear cycle, so don't worry. It's not the end of the world. The bear cycle simply just means it's not crazy returns, yeah? We don't have things going up 10, 20, 50x like we do in the bull run. But in the bear cycle, everything's reduced, so it means it's the perfect time to get in on any projects that you've been looking at, because it will be going up, all right? Now, I'm still very bullish on Boss Token, right? I still think the concept is good. At the end of the day, it does have utility, so it's not like a fluffy coin. I don't know if you've heard of that, but a YouTuber that I watched is called Beheza. He created a coin called Fluffy Coin, but it just shows that in the cryptocurrency, same with stock markets, at the end of the day, as much as we can have utility in a token, the real thing that we all really need is the community. Because at the end of the day, the community is what drives the price up. Because if you've got a good, strong community that's supporting the token, supporting the coin. What the see, I was about to get my video demonetized. Cheers, mate. Anyway, if you've got a good community that supports the coin, supports the token, it's much more likely the price will go up, right? And Boss Token does actually have a good community from what I've seen, based on all the comments on my videos, based on the people that message me and DM me and get back to me. Boss Token definitely has a good community. Now look, what we're gonna do, as I said to you guys, we're gonna spam the Twitter page and spam Mr. Zero Waiting, get them to make me marketing manager. I'm sure we'll have a lot more things going on. So for instance, when Boss Token first came out, they had this whole competitions, you know, like people making memes, you know, fun things that were happening for the whole community. So saying elect BigDre for your marketing manager, BigDre for president, I can make that happen, you see me? Anyway guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long because we're getting towards 8 minutes now. It's been your boy BigDre. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe this. Yeah, and remember, it's in the sauce, just buy the dip.